These are the three most beautiful fish in the ocean. And number 1 looks like a living work of art. Number 3, the clownfish. With its bright orange color and white stripes, the clownfish became famous around the world thanks to its unique appearance. Number 2, the mandarin fish. This small fish is covered in brilliant blue, orange, and green patterns that make it look almost unreal. Number 1, the lionfish. With its elegant fins and striking colors, the lionfish is often considered one of the most beautiful fish in the ocean. Which fish do you think is the most beautiful? Follow Shivadia for more amazing facts.